A good night's sleep? How frequently have you headed to sleep just to get your telephone and begin checking the news, messages, or web-based life? Or on the other hand, perhaps you need to endure one final shot of that addictive game you found a day or two ago? Each one of those applications are stealing sleep from us. At the point when we hit the hay, our telephones ought to also. However, that never occurs. As we lie there, we hear the sweet alarm call of that small unassuming gadget. Before we know it, our smartphones are back in charge and engaging us with data. Even when we're done with our phones, all that adrenaline or stress makes our minds too busy to think about sleep. So we lie in bed bored. Eventually, the boredom is too much, so we go back to our smartphones. We can't actually talk to someone. Quite a while in the past, individuals would collaborate with one another through face-to-face communication. With the closeness and bonds delivered by that sort of social contact, individuals had the option to associate with one another and manufacture solid connections. After some time, innovation has become an agent in our discussions, regardless of whether through messages, instant messages, self-checkout machines, or internet-based life. In such a significant number of circumstances, individuals don't straightforwardly speak with one another any longer. FOMO. Nowadays, advanced innovation through smartphones continually shows us sparkling new items that we can be a piece of. The individuals and organizations making these things are acing how to cultivate the sentiment of FOMO and make their items or administrations viral. All of this can lead to reckless spending on unnecessary things. Then we feel depressed when we see the next shiny thing but realize we can no longer borrow enough money to grab it. It's becoming the most expensive member of our family. Smartphones cost us such a lot of cash. Overall, a smartphone in North America is $567 only for the telephone. Remember that we need a pleasant case to insure the telephone, protection if the case bombs us, chargers all over the place, and paid applications to make those telephones considerably progressively helpful. Telephones increment in cost at a pace of around 12% a year. In 2008, the iPhone sold for $499 and, in late 2018, the XS Max sold for $1,099. In the event that costs keep on inclining toward that path, we could be taking a gander at spending over $5,000 for an iPhone a long time from now. Do we even remember reality anymore? You're with a gathering of individuals, and somebody poses a question. Nobody knows the appropriate response, so everybody whips out their smartphones to see who can discover the appropriate response first. Somebody shouts it out, gets the praise for the best Google aptitudes existing apart from everything else, and everybody proceeds onward. In the past, getting answers was work. We needed to find and schedule time with an expert, go to the library and read a book, or experiment and figure it out for ourselves. All this work left a lasting impression on our minds and made the answer hard to forget. These days, information is so easily obtained that finding it is no longer an adventure.